Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be telling you how to get mythic weapons in COD games. So guys, uh, the primary way to get mythic weapons is through the mythic drop crates, and or each crate opening cost CP, which is call of points. So it requires call of points to open mythic drop crates. But if you want to get free mythic weapons, then guys, uh, first method you can use is the test server. So test server basically, in this test server, so we COD mobile has a test server for bug testing and new features, so where you can experience mythic weapons for free. You don't need to use CP for use experiencing it, but progress and items do not transfer to the main game. Fine, so this is a disadvantage only. But second method assure you to get mythic, so mythic weapons for completely free, and it will be transferred into your main game. How can you do that? So how can you get it, guys? CP mobile offers events and with free legendary weapons and a tier below mythic basically. These events have a tier below mythics and events with very cheap rate pools that might grant a legendary even mythics weapons. So you just need to keep an eye on ongoing events and see if there is any mythic events or not. So basically through events you can get mythic weapons for free. And the third method you can use to get mythic weapon is COD mobile Discord. So you can use Discord server for of COD mobile. So the official COD mobile server sometime conducts giveaway giveaway that includes legendary weapons and even a CP. So joining server is free and less, so you can participate in these server and in these giveaway and even get CP for free. So you can use these CPs to open mythic crates to get mythic weapons, and also you can get directly weapons through these giveaway. So these are the ways, guys, to get mythic weapons in COD mobile. So I hope you liked it. These are the legitimate ways to get it for free, and the first and the primary method to get it is to use CP, which cost of course the real money. So make sure use the legitimate method so your account won't be banned. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.